go. So make sure that you watch this video first before you put 3 holes in your console like I did. Hey guys, today we're going to be doing something that did not come factory on the 2014 to 2017, I believe, Mazda 6s, and that is rear USB charging. What I like about this one is that it mounts in and then it has a finishing plate so that it looks halfway decent. And what I also like about this one is that it has USB-C and USB-A. It came shipped in this little box. It came with the back plate, the face plate, and 2 screws, and that's it. First things first, y'all are probably wondering, where do I plan on mounting this in the rear, because there's really no really awesome spot for it. But I'm thinking for usability and just in general, I'm thinking about mounting it somewhere around right there. That way you can get to the USB ports and it shouldn't look that awkwardly bad, especially once the face plate is on it. I don't think it will look too far out of place, and I don't think too many people will question it. So for power, I'm going to grab it from the cigarette lighter right here. There's a little clip right here, not a clip, but like a little slot, and if you just take your flathead screwdriver right there behind that, and boom, the panel comes off, and now you can get to the wires that come off of the cigarette lighter, the green and black wire. The wires that go from the power wires to the USB charger themselves, I'm going to have quick disconnects, so a male on one side and a female on the other side. That way if I need to remove the panel, I can simply just disconnect this and remove the panel as normal for whatever reason. Then I'm going to strip these wires back, and then I'm going to take some of these heat shrink butt connectors that I bought, that I've been wanting to buy for a while now, and I'm going to give them a try and see how they work. Right, in here we have the harness completed, so this will go into the wire tap, and then these will connect into the USB chargers. So the wire that you are tapping off of will be in here, and then this part will screw down, and then it will ultimately pierce the wire, and then we'll send the energy source up through there. And then to connect the wire that you're tapping into, what you do is that you take your wire, and it's the cap that came off the top. You will feed the wire through the cap like so, and then you will push it down into the top side of the fuse cap, and then you will screw it down, and then that will make the connection. Like I said, you will need to trim accordingly to make sure you don't have any exposed wires, especially for the power wire, the hot wire. Like I said, but this will be the wire you're tapping into, that you're getting the power from. This will be the wire that you're sending your new power to. So we have everything hooked up, and I have a blue light, so it has power. So in the USB-C side, I'm going to hook up my USB-C charger, and then I'm going to take my phone, and like I said, and this cord is connected to the charger, and then it's charging. So it works. All right, so I should have waited to install the female ends until after I drill the hole, because I can drill a much smaller hole to pass those wires than to pass the connectors. So I'm going to cut these off, drill a hole, run the wires through, and then put these female connectors on. So with the placement of the USB-C charger, I was going to put it there, but you can't put it here because, as I found out, when you go to open your armrest, I did not know this because I'm never in the back seat. This actually comes over and covers that whole area there. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to mount it right here, but up high, HVAC ducting in the way. So what I'm going to do is take these 4 screws out so I can get access to run my wires and connect everything, and then put these 4 screws back in once it's all connected. So I have the back panel gutted. I have the USB port mounted solid. So after I extend these wires and get those connectors on, I will pop that piece in, screw that piece in, connect it up, and we'll be done. I'm glad I bought these heat shrink butt connectors because I did not have any idea that I was going to use them this much for this install video. Slides into the bottom. Put it all back together. Let's go get it back in the car. And here we go for the final time. Don't mind my dirty floor, I got 2 kids. So here we go for the final install. I liked it better when it was up top, but it's here. It's still functional. I guess if you wanted to, you could mount it on the side. I really don't know any other good spot to mount it. I was thinking about possibly mounting it like right here, like on the cup holder, but I didn't know about trying to run the wires and trying to make it look nice, and I don't know, that would have been cool to have it right there. If you need USB ports in the back, like I said, you have kids, family, you do Uber, Lyft, anything like that, this is a solution. It's not elegant, but it's functional. So until next time, think, build, enjoy. This is Darius Bills. Peace.